events. So when we go back to the events, you can see the Vice Chancellor has set the value, new signal value to on. You can see it's the 1 and connected on this area. So if you have different level of users and they influence the network, so everything will be recorded here. You can either print it, export it, or import existing such kind of events so that all these parameters are well documented. Now coming to the other part of this portal is, for example, in the data comparison. So here we can compare the data, the present data and the previous data to know how much energy is being saved. So this is configured exactly as we have done for our trend data analysis. Now coming to the data network, here you can see, for example, we have taken the picture of the meter, but it's a switch here. So you can see the Ethernet switch load, means how much data traffic is going, or what kind of topology is being used. Last but not least is the scheduling. In scheduling, we have an excellent facility of automatically controlling the loads based on schedules. Let us say you want to switch on the water heaters or the pumps in the night when the load is very less. So we can make the schedules for the pumps and the heaters, and they will be started automatically, for example, in morning 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock when the load is very less. These things can be applied to water heating, air conditioning, outdoor lighting, pumps, or watering facility. Why scheduling is important? Scheduling is important when you have the chances that you will reach the peak loads. So to avoid the penalties to go above your connected level of allowed load, scheduling is a very powerful tool to cut off the peaks. Now, all these controls are available to higher authorities. And let's say if an engineer wants to see the portal, so based on his privileges, many of the icons like control and schedulings are not allowed. So I'm going to log off from the higher authority. So you can see everything is gone here. So I'm a general user at the moment, so I can see only my profile and the trend data. I can not see the installation, alarms, events, control, data comparison, data network, scheduling. So let's say a university engineer logs in. So he can go into the My Profiles, installations, the trends, alarms and events also he can go. Controls he cannot do anything. Data comparison he can do. In the data network he can go inside. The scheduling he cannot do. So here we are coming to the end of our presentation. In case you have any suggestions, please mail. Thank you very much.